What's up guys, Dave from DC Tech back with another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab E from 2015. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like the videos for more awesome content, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. So looking around the box, I have to say Samsung did improve their packaging over the years, because this is pretty plain. This is the Wi-Fi variant of the device. Let's just open that. And we have the device on top. We also have the power brick with the Samsung branding, and the USB to micro USB cable. The Tab E comes with a 9.6-inch display, 8 gigs of storage or 16 gigs, and 1.5 gigs of RAM. Battery is 5000 milliamperes, and it has a 5 megapixel main camera that shoots 720p video and a front-facing 2 megapixel camera. Viewing content on this thing is very nice and has lots of color and plenty sharpness, since this is a 720p panel. Also, because it's LCD, it has some great viewing angles too. On the front of the device we have the 3 buttons, 2 of which are capacitive, and the Samsung logo with the 2 megapixel camera. On the side we have the power button and volume buttons. On the other side we have the micro SD card slot, and right here at the back we got the 5 megapixel camera with the speaker, and on the top we have the micro USB port and the headphone jack. Should you buy the Tab E? Now, after using this for quite a while, it's okay for doing light things. Say you normally on YouTube or just want to Google some things, it's good for that. I did try playing a game on this and it was hilariously bad. Like, I went on to Google Play Store to get games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Mobile. The only Battle Royale game I could find there was the Garena Free Fire and PUBG Mobile Lite. So I decided to download PUBG Mobile Lite. And let me tell you, it was bad. All the settings were on low. All the settings were low on default, and it just looked terrible. I couldn't take it up to HD on the graphics side, and since everything was low, you could play, but the graphics were really bad. So if you're looking for a tablet to game that's really cheap, this isn't the device. This isn't the tablet you should get. But if you're into like the light stuff like YouTubing or just doing some light web browsing, you should get this tablet. It's super cheap now, starting at 3000 Rand. So if you are looking for a tablet, to be able to store stuff, to be able to watch watch YouTube at HD resolution that looks good, this is the tablet you should get.